Picture mo nga kami apat yan. Tawagin mo sila. Alita yung kinagawin. Pero wala nila na taro. Go pakita. At
Papakita niya yung mask na ito. Tanggalan na. Tanggalan.
Traditional in the sense that we have a basin. Diba? We have two kinds of baptism. Sige, katikisin tayo. What are the two kinds of baptism? Either immersion or immersion. So, during Easter Vigil, or last Saturday, so when the catechumens entered the baptistry, they are actually submerged. So, bumagpa sila dito. This is filled with water. And then the priest will baptize them. Afterwards, they're going to get out on that door. And then, when they enter the church for the reception, they're already wearing white for their confirmation. So that's how we do it. Very traditional. So, what can we notice in our baptistry? It's actually natural light coming. That's very evident in Annunciation. Kasi even you close the lights, if it's too sunny, the stained glass windows will penetrate, the light will penetrate through it. So maliwanag din yung church. The church is bright enough. If you went to the foyer, dito po sa labas kanina, if you can see, it's also clear. So natural light can pass through it. And also in the Chapel of the Blessed Sacrament later, there are also some areas where natural light can pass through. So in the baptistry, if you're looking at the stained glass, it's actually the sacraments of the church.
yes.
What's missing? How many sacraments do we have? 7. But I only have 6 stained glass.
Yes, Eucharist.
Because the stained glass of the Eucharist is actually in the chapel of the Blessed Sacrament. So we have here the baptism, confirmation, holy orders, reconciliation,
Matrimony.
Okay. One of the most beautiful icons in Annunciation is the icon of Christ the teacher, the Pantocrator. So it is one of the most precious icon in our parish. So, yan po siya. It's here in the baptistry. Okay. So, recap. So, during pasok po yung catechumens, the catechumens entered the baptistry. The two priests are already here. Nakasubmerged na po sila. So, they will enter. So, they are actually a bit submerged in water. And then the priest will baptize them. And then they're going to pass through there. And then they will be changing their clothes to white.
Wow.
And then, it's already the rite of reception. So during the rite of reception, they're going to process, going to the main church, and then they will be having their confirmation. So that's how...
It's beautiful.
So when they will be baptized, they will not wear white clothes?
No po, yung iba,
Kasi pag baptized, doon na tayo nag-change.
Because they are actually changing.
Sabi ko, gusto ko magpapinyo.
Sige po, pwede po kayo magpa-picture dito. Isang picture.
Blessed Sacrament, excuse me.
So we're here at the Chapel of the Blessed Sacrament.
The Eucharist, yes.
So it's more fitting to have the stained glass of the Eucharist in the Chapel of the Blessed Sacrament. Pilgrim passport na binibigay. It's because for us it is a year of grace. So we celebrated our 30 years last March 25, yung parish feast day of 2023. We're in sa building. So the tabernacle, it's actually in the cross.